Hey guys, it's Tim from Procheck Automotive here. I'm here with Jarvis, the apprentice, and Shane's new Hilux. Today we're going to take you through installing the fuel filter and the catch can. So we're going to start with the fuel filter. It's a matter of starting off with this bracket, which bolts into, they're all factory mounts, aren't they, Jarvis?
Yeah.
Yep.
So there's 3 pre-drilled holes with threads already.
Threads, yep. And what, are they 10 mils?
Yeah, I believe so.
Sweet. That's pretty exciting.
So exciting, man.
Taking the filter over the bench. We're going to fit the fittings over on the bench rather than in the car. What have you got there, Jarvis?
I don't know what it's called.
You don't know what it's called. It's written on the bottom there.
It's thread seal.
Thread seal. Thread sealant. We want to make sure we put the thread sealant on because we don't want any fuel leaking for obvious reasons. What's on the neck?
It's a 916.
916. Nice. I'll have to fast forward through all this.
Yeah.
What? So it's still getting up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine, yeah. Jarvis is doing his apprenticeship on these 2 bolts. Okay, so we've done the fuel connectors. They've all got their thread sealant on them. Jarvis has learnt something. And now we're going to mount the filter to the actual bracket. What a pro. What a pro.
No, put my face in this.
Did you bring spanner over?
I did.
Oh, look at that. Apprentice of the year right there. So that's coming out of the filter and into the main filter here. So this is a pre-filter, correct?
Correct.
What are some advantages of a pre-filter, Jarvis?
Filters your fuel twice, I guess. I'm not a four-wheel drive guy, I don't understand this stuff.
Oh, the main reason why is because these new diesels are really sensitive to what goes through their injector pumps, and the tiniest bit of water or a contaminant is going to cost you thousands. So spend a bit of money, a little bit of added peace of mind, and you shouldn't run into any trouble down the track. Tying up the hose clamp, not too tight, Jarvis. With your big rod there, mate, not too tight. So we'll bleed up the new filter. We'll hit the key, go hit the key, Jarvis, and we'll make sure it starts and runs and doesn't leak. Okay, so we're going to move on to the catch can side. Remove that.
Utilises the factory airbox bolt.
Very good. I like that word. Utilises. Then the bracket utilises that stud there next to the master cylinder.
factory bolt goes back in.
Beautiful work, Jarvis. Actually, now pretty nice in that. It's just a matter of attaching the actual catch can itself. Now Jarvis, what's the catch can for?
Catching excess oil trapped in the air through to your intake.
It's going through the intake, yep. And why do we want to get rid of that oil?
Bad for your motor.
Yeah, you can get, that's what helps create the build-up of carbon in the intake manifold. Any excess oil going through. It's just a byproduct of turbo diesel motors. So if we can prevent it, it's going to be less hassle and less maintenance in the future for you. So it's just easier if we rip this engine cover off without breaking it. Don't break it, so we can get to the piping on this side. And before we put the filter on, make sure you rotate it to line the inlets up to for the piping, otherwise it ain't going to fit, is it, Jarvis?
No, just hit the intake pipe.
Yep. Bloody apprentices.
The catch can.
Mission accomplished, Jarvis. How does it feel?
Feels like I worked on a Hilux.
Well done. Hey guys, thanks heaps for checking out today's video. If you want any more information on any of these kits, just give us a call, 1-800-776-243, and we'll be able to help you out. We've got kits that suit most makes and models, so feel free to give us a call. Thanks again for checking out the video. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about it, share, that'd be fantastic. And we'll catch you next week when we do some more modifications to the Hilux. What are you doing, you idiot? Hard to find good help around here.
You got it. So we're routing the drain hose and we're going to run it along the air conditioning lines.
Jarvis,
and
give me the camera. You're fired. Hey guys, thanks heaps for tuning in. For any more information on these kits, feel free to give us a call on 1-800. Hey guys, thanks. I've forgotten it already. 1-800-776-243.